They came with fire and iron, the marauders of injustice, to drag us as slaves to their cities. But you alone, upright, like a rock amidst the waves, unsubdued flame, unbeaten heart, daughter of the wind, fearless as the dawn, you herald the uprising of the soul from the primeval sanctuary to the furthest reaches of the universe. With ashes in her hair, a stone in her fist, her mother's belt to find, her mother's belt to find. With ashes in her hair, a stone in her fist, her mother's belt to find, her mother's belt to find. And tonight I remembered how you had ordained me to bring the water, and I walked through the forest with the girls of our village, and we filled the jars with water pure, water living, water from the mountain, crystal clear, to let the brave ones drink and quench their thirst, the unbowed water to drip upon the wounds and heal. My sisters, the protectors, the warriors, the renowned, the untamable, the free, the women of Themyscira. With ashes in her hair, a stone in her fist, her mother's belt to find, her mother's belt to find. With ashes in her hair, a stone in her fist, her mother's belt to find, her mother's belt to find. With ashes in her hair, a stone in her fist, her mother's belt to find, her mother's belt to find.